actually developing varieties for high yield, as you know. But later on, when we started, later on now we have shifted our breeding program for developing disease resistance varieties in many of the vegetable crops. In fact, we have one variety of tomato now, hybrid Arca Abed, which is resistant to 4 diseases, including wilt, late blight and early blight and leaf curl virus. Now we also have other varieties. You mentioned about processing. In fact, earlier we were we were developing varieties and then trying to fit them into our processing chain. But now what we have done is we have come out with two very good stock-free tomato varieties exclusively for the processing for in the first time in India. These varieties are Arca Apeksha and Arca hybrids, or Arca Apeksha and Arca Vishesh. Both we have given it to some of the private processing industries to test them for paste making, and I am very happy to say that both have approved these two varieties, and now we are going to take up large scale seed production using seed village concept, that is using the farmers. This is one part of it, sir. In fact, we are also in touch with some of the processing companies in Gujarat, wherein actually we have come out with two onion varieties. One is Arca Swadishta and Arca Yogi. Both these varieties have got about 20% of dry pulp recovery. So I think these are the two very good varieties which we have come out. In addition, we have in the case of fruit crops, sir, we have come out with one very good hybrid called variety called Arca Kiran, which has got incidentally very high lycopene of 78 milligram per 100 gram, which when processed you need not add any flavor or color. In addition to that, we have come out with two very good products now. One is the ProBio pomegranate and ProBio mango. In the case of ProBio pomegranate, we have not added any sugar, and this can be kept under fridge and stored for about 3 to 4 months. And with some of the products in the case of jackfruit, sir, you know that there is very large diversity for jackfruit in India with more than about 1,000 varieties. We have already commercialized certain products of jackfruit, that is using jackfruit seed powder and mushroom seed powder. We have made chocolates. These chocolates have been commercialized into the private industry, have taken it up. Likewise, we have made Arca cookies, jackfruit cookies. Likewise, we have even the juice also is there, which doesn't contain sugar, but it can be preserved without any preservative under ambient condition for about 6 months. These are the some of the products that we have launched very recently. So in